Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may notice that there are a bunch of different projects on here that you can learn how to create stuff in Scratch or teach Scratch. Now, I'm going to show you a neat idea that uses variables in a really interesting way. So the project that we're going to take a look at is called The Lifecycle of a Butterfly, and it is by minicoder12345. Okay, so it says this is for a school project, lol. Press the green flag. Okay, so I'm going to try and move this slowly. It does give you a lot of flashing lights if you move it quickly, so make sure you don't do that. But so we can move this slow. It shows the sun, the moon cycles. Oh, got a little caterpillar. Whoops. Don't want to save it. Oh, caterpillar ate something. Oh, ate some more and grew. Still growing. Uh-oh, what's happened? Is it taking a nap? Is it in a sleeping bag? Oh. Cocoon, still going through the life cycle. And then, ta-da! We got ourselves a butterfly. That is a really neat idea for how you can use a variable to make it so that it actually changes the costumes. Now, I highly recommend taking a look at the inside of this project to see how it works, and I'll include a link to it in the description. And in the description, you'll also see some links to bootuppd.org where you can learn how to create or teach projects like this. If you got a neat idea that you'd like us to take a look at, make sure you comment below so we can take a look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.